Hello, children. Hello, parents. Hello, uncles. Hello, aunties. Hello, grandparents.
Welcome to Aunty Jojo.
Yes. As you see, here I have drums. Let me call Uncle MD to come. We have a visitor. Welcome.
Hey, my name is Uncle MD Didi. I want to play this piano.
This is piano.
Yes.
Welcome. Wait. I will take you. Wait. Not disturbing here.
Okay.
Follow. So, as you see, this is Uncle MD Didi.
Kuchiri kuseka bro. Aunty Jojo.
Good to stop him, man.
No. Aunty Jojo. Kuchiri kuseka.
Okay,
So,
serious.
Guys, Aunty Jojo arishimye cyane kubera ko Uncle Didi yaje.
So this is not Uncle MD Didi. Let's call him Uncle Didi.
Uncle Didi.
Wait. Uncle Didi.
Yes.
Tell people what you are coming here to do.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nitwa Uncle Didi. Naje gushyigikira Aunty Jojo. Uyu munsi ndashaka gucurangira abana. Abana muzi icyo bita piano. Aunty Jojo afite drum. Aunty Jojo nkubitira akadrum gatoya twumva.
Drum.
1, 2, 3, go. Aunty Jojo.
Wait, what is this? This is a cat.
This is
Uncle Didi.
Look.
This is what?
Look.
Wait. I feel like
No.
Okay, sorry.
Indi nkoni yashyize he?
Where? Guys.
Where is another sticker?
Another stick. Another stick, I don't know. The thief yarayica.
Okay, ntacyo.
Ariko.
Reka ngufashe njye ntikibanguye.
Okay.
Piano. Ririmbe akaririmbo.
We're going to sing
akaririmbo
kitwa Ndagatama ka Yesu. Nakahim. Murakazi? Ako karimbo murakazi abana? Okay, abakazi muraza kurimbana natwe. Bakita
Ndi agatama kaya Yesu.
So Ndagatama ka Yesu is a nice hymn. Ni indirimbo nziza cyane ku batayizi muze kwiga mwumve na mwumve ibyo iri kuvuga. Apana kuvuga ngo
sawa, gari kakikorere dutangire kuko baradutegereje.
Are you ready?
1, 2, 3,
go. Ndagatama ka Yesu ndanezerewe cyane, mfite umungeri mwiza ajya ndagira neza, arankunda ndabizi n'ijwi rye ndagitaba. Singitinya noneho mu nama za Yesu, igihe nikigera azanyuza, nzagira umunezero nta bukene kwa Yesu.
Abana twese tudutama twa Yesu. Yesu aradukunda kandi aravuga ngo mureke abana bato
uransange kuko ubwami
bwabo
kuko ubwami ari ubwabo.
Aunty Jojo reka dusoze,
reka manze mbereke mbasomere aho hantu kugira ngo bakumva abana kubera ko kuvuga ngo ni umwana w'Imana bisobanura ngo Imana irabakunda, abana bose ni ab'agaciro imbere y'Imana. So ubwami bw'Imana ni ubwabo. So muri English iravuga ngo muri Matthew chapter 19 verse 14.
Verse 14.
Yes. It says, Jesus said,
Aunty Jojo, Jesus,
don't disturb in the Sunday school.
okay.
Yes.
Jesus said,
Jesus said, let the children come to me and do not stop them.
come to what?
Come to Jesus, come to me.
Yes.
That's Jesus was saying.
Yes.
Because the kingdom of heaven
Is
belongs to such as this. So you can understand that. Mureke abana bato bansange kuko ubwami bw'Imana bw'ijuru ari ubwabo. So abana rero ubwami bw'ijuru ni ubwanyu. Abana bose bakujya mu ijuru. So you are happy?
Nimba wishimye kora
Subscribe.
kuri
Aunty Jojo.
Aunty Jojo.
Yes.
aba afite ibintu byiza cyane. Hanyuma
Guys, abana uyu ni umugabo wanjye.
banza ubiyereke babibone. tuvuga gute kimwe? See you. Subscribe kuri Aunty Jojo ubundi abana mukomeze mwishime. Murakoze cyane.
Nimba wumva wishimye vuga yego.
Hey, go.
Nimba wumva wishimye vuga yego.
Hey, go.
Nimba wumva wishimye, umva wishimye vuga yego. Thank you. Bye.